All right, so this is our reading library. I pulled out the first book, which is Pirate Pat, and this is going over the letters S. And it says at the end which letters it's reviewing. So you can review with them beforehand. SATPINMD. So the book concentrates on their words over here have all those letters so that they can recognize them, put them together, and sound out the words. So these are the words that they say. This is the part that you read to them. And then they read this part, and there's a little back and forth between you two. You read this, he reads this. So he recognizes those words and learns how to use them. And then the puzzles at the back for him. So that's the first book. The seventh book is about halfway through. It goes over these letters and combinations. And so it's stepped up a little bit in difficulty. And he's actually going to be reading a lot of it. This is your part. Lightning Lil is out of control. I did not mean to go off that road. And now the car is in the pool. So they're not only just teaching him, but they're actually pretty funny. So they're cute books. So if he's still learning how to read, then this is a great way for him to gain confidence and to, really solidify those skills. So this is the last. So in the reading library, there's the very first reading set, which is 15 levels. A couple of the levels have several of the levels have 2 in their level. And so by the time he gets up to book 15, that reading level, he should be reading by himself. And so you can see, that by the time he gets here, he's learned all those letter combinations and those letter sounds and how to put them together. And you can review some things with him. But he should be able to read it by himself by this time. And there's still the puzzles. In all of these books, there are puzzles at the end to test that comprehension for him. So this is one of the orange books, The Magic Melon. This is just to help him with his skills, help him with that confidence. So you can see, and one of the purple books, The Wish Fish. So about the same level, and he should be reading on his own by now. And again, at the end, there's that the puzzles for comprehension. And so this is Hey Jack. This is for ages 4 to 7. So once your child has learned to read, then you can move on to Hey Jack and Billy B. Brown. These are the gateway chapter books, the step up from those two, and these really open the door to chapter books. So you can see very large text, very simple sentences, illustrations to help them as well. And one thing that you'll notice is that the sentences never carry on to the next page. They always end at the end of that page. So the very simple, great way to get them into chapter books. So Billy B is the same level. So there are 15 in the Hey Jack series, 15 in the Billy B. Brown series. So that's the gateway to chapter books for them. So that's our reading library and Billy B. Brown and Hey Jack. Just a couple of those. All right.